Are you facing stunt driving and no insurance charges in Ontario? Well, here's what you need to know. Have you recently been slapped with both a stunt driving charge and a no insurance charge in Ontario? Because if yes, you're in a sticky situation that calls for urgent attention. So let's simplify what both these legal terms mean for you and why hiring specialized legal help is crucial. What the law says about your stunt driving charge in Ontario. When it comes to stunt driving, under Section 172(1) of the Highway Traffic Act, the law sees you as a public safety threat. In simpler terms, if you've driven 50 kilometers or more than the speed limit in an 80 kilometer or more zone, or 40 kilometers or more in a zone with a speed limit under 80 kilometers, you've committed a serious offense. It doesn't matter why you were speeding, whether to overtake another car or due to an emergency. In the eyes of the law, you are wielding a potential 4,000-pound weapon. How the law views a no insurance charge in Ontario. When you're charged with no insurance under the Compulsory Automobile Insurance Act, the CAIA, you're considered a public risk. Why? Because if an accident happens and someone gets injured, or even worse, you don't have an insurance policy that will cover the damages. This leaves the injured party without a way to cover medical bills or any other kind of compensation. The double trouble. Stunt driving and no insurance charges combined. When you're charged with both stunt driving and no insurance, it's like pouring gasoline on the fire. You're not only seen as a danger for stunt driving, but you're also uninsured, which leaves you unable to compensate anyone who might be harmed due to your driving. The court is likely to have very little room for leniency in cases like this. So how do you get legal help for stunt driving and no insurance charges? If you're facing these combined charges, it requires a very specific and nuanced legal approach. Legal strategies can differ based on various factors like the court you're in, or the prosecutor you're up against, or the details of your case. Therefore, it is highly advisable to seek counsel from a law firm that has experience in handling stunt driving and no insurance charges in Ontario. In a nutshell, if you're up against both stunt driving and no insurance, you are in a complicated legal mess, and getting specialized legal advice is not just recommended, it's essential.